Good morning, students. Welcome back to the GK class. Now let us learn about the 7th chapter, the sound of music. The sound of music. Students, do you like music? Do you like to listen music? It is very interesting, na? Why do people like music and songs? Do you know that? Every song has a different emotion and feelings. Okay? All the feelings of song depending on musical instruments. See these musical instruments, different type of musical instruments is here. Okay, when you listen to song, if song's instrumentation is good, then you feel great. Okay, students. Now, so today let us learn about different type of musical instruments. Okay, various type of musical instruments are here. Okay, students, which musical instruments do you like to hear? इसमें से कौन सा आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है? Which one? Now let us see that. Okay, students, see, listen. Music is known from the time of ancient civilizations till the present. So, students, many years ago, बहुत पहले, especially during the time of the kings, okay, music was highly promoted and developed using a variety of musical instruments. Developed, okay, जो अभी जो आ गया वो आराम से डेवलप करके अभी का ये जो present form में पहुंच गया. Understand, students? Musical instruments have been developed from the simplest to the most sophisticated ones. Okay, musical instruments have been developed. Okay, simplest from the simplest form. पहले ऐसे बना दिया. Then it has been developed. Then reached in the present level. Okay, students, the most sophisticated ones means over the years ago, musical instruments have developed to their current level. Okay, students, now identify these musical instruments and matching them to their names. Now you can identify. Okay, now you can match the pair. Okay, students, let us see that. Students, now let us learn about Zandoor. First of all, let us learn about Zandoor, the musical instrument. See, students, it is the Zandoor musical instrument. Okay, students, it is an Indian string musical instruments. Okay, it has introduced into Hindustani classical music. Okay, only about 50 years ago. Okay, it has been invented before 50 years ago. Okay, students. Then Pandit Shivakumar Sharma is the first Indian Zandoor player. Who? Pandit Shivakumar Sharma is the first Indian Zandoor player from Jammu and Kashmir. From where? Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. The Zandoor is a folk instrument. Zandoor is a folk instrument means it is a musical instrument. Okay, students. Now next one, Sitar. Which is the next one? Sitar. Okay, see, which is the sitar? This one. This one is the sitar musical instrument. Okay, students, the sitar is a plucked string instrument. See, string means like this. These are the strings. Okay, students, used in Hindustani classical music. Okay, it was invented in the 18th century. When? In the 18th century. Who? Amir Khusro. Okay, Amir Khusro invented this sitar instrument, sitar musical instrument. It has minimum of 18 strings. How many strings? 18 strings. Pandit Ravi Shankar is the best sitar player in the world. Who? Pandit Ravi Shankar is the best sitar player. Okay, students, now let us learn about piano. Do you know about piano? Piano is a musical instrument. See, which one? Piano. Third one. This is piano. Have you ever seen this piano? Students, this is piano. Okay, have you ever seen this? By pressing keys. Okay, this piano is musical instruments plays pressing keys. इसमें जो की होता है वो प्रेस करके ये चलाता है. Understand, students? It is invented by Bartholomew Christopher. Who? Bartholomew Christopher of Italy. Okay, students, then around the year 1700 means 17th, at the end of the 17th century. Okay, students, he was the first pianist. He was the first pianist means he invented then played. Okay, then playing the piano is good for our mental health. then it gives us pleasure. Okay students, we get pleasure, we get happy, means we feel happy when it plays. Okay students, then next one, veena. Which is the next one? Veena. This is the veena. See, I think it is familiar for you. Okay, the veena is one of the most ancient string instruments, बहुत पहले का है, okay, of India, and mainly used in classical music. Okay, I think sometimes you have seen in the TV program this veena. Okay students, for classical music. The famous Indian musician Azad Ali Khan, who is the famous Indian musician in veena? Azad Ali Khan was the first veena player. Azad Ali Khan. Okay students, then next one, which is the next one? Tabla. Okay, which is the next one? Tabla. Okay, then where is tabla? Find out it. This one. See, the tabla is a pair of tin hand drums. दोनों हाथ से ये चलाता है. Okay students, then it is the most commonly played drum set in north, especially in North Indian music. Okay students, then Ustad Zakir Hussain is a famous Indian tabla composer. Who? Ustad Zakir Hussain. Okay, famous tabla composer, means tabla player. Okay students, then next one, which is the next one? Shehnai. See students, this is the Shehnai. So where is that Shehnai? See students, where is the Shehnai? This, see, like flute. Shehnai, this is the Shehnai. Okay students, this Shehnai is a musical instrument. Is made up of wood and metal. See, it is the wood. Piche wood hai. Then with metal also. Wood and metal. Okay. Covered metal is also there. Then widely it is used in marriage parties. Where? In marriage parties and temples. Okay students, the famous Indian musician Bismillah Khan was the first Shehnai player. Who was the first Shehnai player? Bismillah Khan. Okay students, especially then there is an important matter. See, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru invited the Bismillah Khan to play Shehnai. When? Where? On the first Independence Day. हमारा जो first Independence Day में ये play करने के लिए वो हमारे Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru invited Bismillah Khan to play Shehnai. Understand students? Then it is the very nice matter. Okay students, then next one, which is the next one? Last one, violin. See, violin. Where is violin? See, it is the violin, seventh one. Okay students, violin is a wooden instrument that start as vibration. ऐसे वाइब्रेट करते रहता है. इसमें जब ये इसमें टच करेगा वाइब्रेशन हो जाएगा, है ना. दिस वाइब्रेशन ट्रांसलेट इनटू वर्ब्स of sound in the air. Okay, this vibrations translate into waves of sound in the air. Okay students, it is the smallest and highest pitched. It is the smallest instrument but highest pitched string instrument used in western music. Where? In western music. Okay, foreign countries में ये ज़्यादा use करता है. The violin is important in European and Arabic music. Okay students, then Dr. L. Subramaniam is the famous violinist in India. Who is the famous violinist in India? Dr. L. Subramanian. Okay students, these are the different type of musical instruments. Okay students, now let us learn about next chapter. Okay students, now let us learn about the 8th chapter, buds and blooms. Buds and blooms. See, here are some questions about flowers. Use the help box if needed. Okay students, help box is here at the bottom. Now let us see that. See students, first question, which flower has the smallest seeds? Which flower has the smallest seeds? सबसे छोटा seeds किसका है? Answer orchid. What is the answer? Orchid. 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 Okay students, this orchid has the smallest seeds. Okay students, now next question. Which flower symbolically means beauty? It means, see where is the answer? Answer is Kala lily. See, Kala lily. Okay students, see students, there are many varieties of flowers in the world, many of them definite beauty, but this Kala lily is said to represent beauty. Okay students, Kala lily symbolically means represent beauty. Okay students, then what part of a flower is corolla? Corolla means the petals of a flower. Okay, corolla means petals of a flower. Corolla means petals. Okay students, then in the United States, Canada and Australia, which flower is worn to commemorate soldiers who have died in a war? Okay students, especially in United States, Canada and Australia, अगर सोल्जर्स डेथ हो गया तो कौन सा फ्लावर उन लोगों को आदर करने के लिए पहनता है, मीन्स यूज करता है? विच फ्लावर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फोर्थ आंसर इज रेड पोपी. दिस इज द फ्लावर. सी रेड कलर फ्लावर देखा आपने? सी दिस रेड कलर फ्लावर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so now you can write it, red poppy. In the United States, Canada and Australia, which flower is born to commemorate soldiers who have died in a war? What is the answer? Red poppy. Okay students, the flowers red poppy is considered a symbol of both sleep and death. Okay, symbol of both means sleep and death. Okay, they symbolize the blood for fallen soldiers. This red color, okay, symbolize the blood for fallen soldiers on the battlefields of war, means for their country. Okay students, they wear it to respect them. Okay students, उन लोग को आदर करने के लिए ये पहनता है. Okay students, then ये यूज करता है this flower. Then which flower bulb can be used in place of onions in cooking? Which flower bulb can be used in place of onions in cooking? Instead of onion, which flower is using? See students, what is the answer? Tulip. Right, tulip. Okay, this tulip flower, tulip bulb can be used in the place of onions in cooking. Okay students, ये onion का use है tulip का bulb. Understand students? Then who said? Somebody said something. What? See, who said where flowers bloom, so does hope? Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Who said? Lady Bird Johnson. Write it here. Lady Bird. It is a person. Okay, Johnson. Okay students, see Lady Bird Johnson once said, उन्होंने एक बार बोला था, reflecting the power of flowers. Okay students, a new hope can definitely promote changes in our lifestyle. Means where flowers bloom, then produce hope. Okay students, then it does hope. Okay student, Lady Bird Johnson said that. Then next question, carnation flowers are the national symbol of which country? Carnation flowers are the national symbol of which country? Which is that country? Seventh answer, Slovenia. Okay, which country? Slovenia. Means carnation means it is a flower's name. Okay, this carnation flowers represent pure love, good luck and admiration. Okay students, so this Slovenia country means this national symbol of Slovenia country. Okay, they honor the carnation flowers. Okay, so national symbol of Slovenia is carnation flowers. Okay students, different colors of flowers are there. Then last question, which is the biggest flower in the world? You know the answer na? Rafflesia. Here answer hai Slovenia. Okay students, next which is the biggest flower in the world? Rafflesia. 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 Okay, Rafflesia is the biggest flower in the world. Okay students, now let us learn it. You can read the chapter and write the answers. Okay, good.